Hello, today we will guide you through how to add VWAP to Bookmap. In this walkthrough, we'll get the volume-weighted average price tool ready inside Bookmap using the built-in plugin system. VWAP helps you see where the bulk of trading has occurred during a period, blending price with volume to give you a fair value reference that many traders watch for bias, reversion, and execution decisions. Start by opening Bookmap on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace and data connections. You don't need to prepare anything special ahead of time, but it's best to have the platform up to date so the add-on catalog and installations run smoothly. Once Bookmap is open, head to the Settings menu at the top of the platform. This is the control center for how Bookmap behaves, and it's also where you manage indicators and tools. If you're running in a compact window, the Settings label may be part of the main menu bar, so hover near the top if you don't see it immediately. From within Settings, select Manage Plugins. The Plugin Manager is where Bookmap organizes extensions, indicators, and utilities. Think of it as a catalog plus an on-off switchboard, all in one place. Here you can view what's already installed and discover additional tools available to add. Inside the Plugin Manager, look for the section labeled Bookmap Add-ons. This section lists official, curated additions that integrate tightly with the platform. The list can be filtered or scrolled, and item names typically include a brief description, so you know what each add-on does before installing it. Find the entry for AVWAP and click Install. AVWAP stands for Anchored VWAP, and it includes the standard VWAP concept while letting you anchor calculations to meaningful points, such as the start of a session or a custom event. Installing from this catalog downloads the add-on and registers it with your Bookmap environment. The process may take a moment depending on your connection. Just keep Bookmap open while it completes. After installation, you should see that AVWAP is available in your setup, ready to be used alongside your existing charts and instruments. If you don't see Manage Plugins or Bookmap add-ons, then make sure you're on a recent Bookmap version and that your license permits add-ons. Occasionally, a quick check for updates resolves missing catalog entries. Also, some environments may briefly prompt you to confirm an installation. Simply follow the on-screen guidance. That's it. You've opened Bookmap, gone to Settings, selected Manage Plugins, browsed the Bookmap add-ons, and installed AVWAP so you can access VWAP functionality within your workspace. Thanks for following along, and enjoy using VWAP to add context and precision to your trading view.